Hello everyone, I'm at Sweet TV and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Petra of defense. Now this opening lets you win a queen if your opponent does the wrong moves. Okay, so first move, obviously you have to be white. You have to play pawn e4. They have to play pawn e5. Then knight f3 and knight f6. Now this is a very unexpected move. Knight takes e5. Then knight is going to take e4. Now you do queen e2, making the knight run away. So now there are a few moves that are blunders. This is a blunder. This is a blunder. This is a blunder. This is a blunder. Basically all these moves are blunders. Because for example, if they do one blunder, then you can just do this. You should discover check on the king, and at the same time you're attacking the queen. They could block with the bishop, but then you just take the queen and they take the king. But if they block with the queen, then you can do this. And they'll do this, and that would just be a voluntary uh, pin with the bishop, and that knight is no longer protected. So you can start pushing pawns to make it run away. Eventually trap it. You know. So that's all for the Petrov defense. So I'll just do a quick summary. E4, E5, E4, E5, knight F3, knight C6, knight takes E5, knight takes E4, then queen E2, then any of these moves, they do any random move, and now you do this. Don't be fooled by the free knight, by the way, if they do this, or if they do this. Don't be fooled by the free knight. Take the queen. So they move away, do this. They're going to be, oh, I need to block with the bishop. So you take, they take, and now they can't even castle anymore. So the only way to defend against it is if they push the pawn. Then maybe you could take, they will take, and then you take, you'd still be up a pawn. But for example, if they respond with queen e7, then just take the knight. They can't take it because then they'd lose the queen. So yeah, that's it for the Petrov defense, and I'll see you in the next.